Yaskawa Motoman has a wide portfolio of industrial and collaborative robots, and today we will do a quick overview of the Moto-Mini and talk about some of the cool product features and also do a demo with it. Hi, my name is TJ Singh and I'm the product specialist at E&M in Southern California. Moto-Mini is the smallest and lightest industrial robot in the industry right now, and there's a bunch of cool features that make it very unique. It only weighs 7 kilograms, which means you can pick up and install at any location. Also, it can do payloads of half kilogram with a reach of almost 350 millimeters. It is designed to work in tight spots at industrial robot speeds, and also it works on the YRC1000 Micro, which is the industrial robot controller that also powers a lot of our other industrial arms. And this works with both our classic teach-in pendant and the smart pendant, which I will use for my demos, and that makes programming a piece of cake. Let's do a quick demo of the smart teach pendant and let me show you how easy it is to configure this device. So this is the smart teach pendant. The first thing that you would notice is on the right side you have a bunch of these buttons. What they do is help you with jogging the robot and teaching it the different points and running some test jobs. And on the left side you have the touch screen, which can also be used to do the same thing. So first thing is go to your jobs, create a new job. In my case I have a new test job already created. The first thing I would do is figure out a way to manipulate the motion on the robot, and this is difficult if you have a classic pendant and somebody who doesn't have a good knowledge of how you program robots, right? And this is where it gets confusing, because now you have X, Y, Z, RX, and it's just a lot going on, right? But what happens if I select the smart frame is that it becomes understandable for anybody, even if they pick up the robot programming tool for the first time. Why? Because I have simple names like up, down, left, right, away, and toward. And what you do with this is you stand in front of the robot, press on the calibrate button, and with this tool the robot will basically know the position of the teach pendant, and every move that I make will be in reference to this position. So if I stand here and you will look at the robot, I can simply go and click on my servo. So now every move that I make will be in reference to the position of this teach pendant. So the TCP on the robot, if I say up, it goes up. If I go say away, it goes away from me. And if I say toward, it comes towards me in this location. Now what happens if I move to a different location and I'm here? Now here, if I press on away, you will notice it's going in a different direction, which is still away from me from this position. And if I say toward, it comes towards me. And up is still up, right? And you can also do the rotation by just holding this rotate button and rotating the teach pendant itself. And I can do it at a faster speed so you can see the change. And if I want to go in a different direction, I can rotate it like this, in that direction, and bring it closer. I can rotate it in my direction. Now this is much more easier than to have the world coordinate system here and do it with X, Y, Z, right? That makes life simple. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at the email provided on the screen. Thank you.